Hey, I didn't see you. You always surprise me. Thanks for coming to Wild Journeys. I'm in the Museum of Natural History right now, the Wild Journeys Museum of Natural History. So I'm really happy you're here because I was just going through the Wild Journeys Museum of Natural History. It's thousands of square feet of samples and collections from around the globe as it concerns wildlife and nature. Anyway, I was walking through the archive, the video archive, and found something from a number of years ago that I think you'd really enjoy. The video is of a Florida Panther, Florida Panther number 148, and it's a moment where she was tranquilized, an old radio collar removed, a new one put on, and then she was released. This short video shows the professional biologists and scientists, a veterinarian, who were all involved in taking samples from this particular cat before releasing her. Florida Panther 148 died in 2015, and she was 11 and a half years old. She had produced 11 kittens. Some of those kittens may be alive today, helping to repopulate the endangered species known as the Florida Panther. We hope you like this video. Please subscribe if you get a chance. We'll try to bring you more of these type of educational videos. And thanks for joining us. Now on to the video.
So as she goes?
Yeah.
You're gonna hold just this, what I'm doing now?
Okay. Yeah, just try to keep it.
92.
Really? So she is full. She's
Bigger
probably
girl
got
than you thought,
5-10 pounds in her stomach.
She's got, more than 5. 10 pounds of food in there, I bet. Because she's not a big cat. 92 pounds. That would be a big female.
Say if you could just write down 92 on the right hand side and just check fluids, and it's going to be, you know what I mean, there's no collar halfway down on the, and then 92 pounds but on the second slot.
Well, I'm just going to write it in the margin for now.
Okay, so it's 92 pounds with 2 pounds of fluids in it.
Okay.
There's no collar on her, so we don't count for that. So I'm done.
Other than the tooth, she looks pretty good.
Would it make sense to move her to where we're going to leave her and put the collar on there? Well, of course, you got the propofol going, but
yeah.
how quickly is she going to come out?
The thing is, that once we move her, I'd like to be able to, you know, because she's going to react. I'd rather put the collar on here, because when we move her...
You're not moving her with the propofol, right?
We're moving her with the propofol, but
okay.
You know, she's going to be light. And if she wants to take off, I want to let her go instead of retrugging her, because we're not going to get her back down on propofol alone. So,
okay.
I'd rather be safe and just get the collar here.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, let's take that. Okay. we put her. You're gonna put her in the dog box?
No.
Okay.
We'll just carry her.
No, you can't carry her to the dry spot. She's
no,
gotta go
on the buggy we'll carry her.
On the deck?
On the deck, yeah.
Okay. So I'll be putting the bags in there.
But yeah, we need to
Clear the deck.
If we just need to put a VHF on her, that's...
Well, he's putting a GPS pod on it.
Yeah.
So,
but I mean, if we need to just...
If you need the collar, if something starts happening, they can bring it right now.
Yeah. I don't want to keep her down long with this. I want to get her out of here.
God, everything's just warm about her.
She's
just so big.
Cooled down.
Well, I mean, you know, good, healthy warm, not... And this was the, from the previous...
Yeah, there's maybe right there.
Mm-hmm.
That almost, well, it's tough to say, but that almost looks like something that might have, you know, just some running through the brush or something. But yeah,
Just
it was
gorgeous.
this. Yeah, she really is.
Can you just again compare your hand size to her
Oh.
paws? It's just amazing, just gorgeous. Look at that, beautiful.
Yeah,
Wow.
she's a pretty little girl.
Mm-hmm.
And she's produced a lot of kittens.
Has she?
Well, I'm guessing. We know that she's produced at least 3.
3 litters?
3 kittens.
3 kittens.
But we only had her collared for a short period, so I'm just assuming. Yeah, I guess I'm speculating. But she produced 3 kittens several years ago, and she still looks in good, healthy, reproductive.
So you can safely assume that she has.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we know she's had 3, and she's probably had several other litters. And these teats are pretty well worn.
And once we get her to the spot, how long do you think it'll take for her to recover and head off?
She'll
pretty quick.
If we were to let her come up now without giving her more propofol, she'd be reacting to us, and she'd be so, you know, another half hour or an hour, she'll be
Oh yeah.
even trying to stand on her own.
Excuse me. Sorry.
I think we got a pack in here, too. Yeah. I have things. Yeah. Is this going up?
Well, thanks again for joining. We hope you enjoyed that short video from a number of years ago, found right here in our vast collection of resources and specimens at the Wild Journeys Institute of Environmental Education. At least that's what I'm calling it right now. Please like, subscribe, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.